Hey there, folks! Welcome back to BK42. Today, we're turning our spotlight on something that's not just a regular e-bike, it's the Glual Elite folding e-bike. And guess what? It's proudly crafted right in the heart of Europe, Poland to be precise, following all those nifty EU e-bike regulations. Now don't expect crazy horsepower or mind-blowing speeds from this one. It's not aiming to break any land speed records. But hey, it's designed for everyday riders like you and me, ready to conquer the urban jungle and cruise through all sorts of terrain without breaking a sweat. But wait, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of the Glual features, make sure you check out the unboxing video right here. I've got it all covered, from how impeccably packed it is to how ridiculously easy it was to put this electric bicycle together. So, let's get started. Let's check out the Glual Elite folding e-bike's cool features. First up, a good 250-watt motor that's a hill climbing pro. It's at the back, making hill conquering a breeze by giving the right push with its smart cadence sensor. No throttle here, just 5 pedal assistance levels for a smooth ride, meeting European rules. And don't be fooled by its quietness. This motor handles city rides and light off-roading like a champ. Whether in town or exploring, the Glual Elite's motor delivers power effortlessly. The Glual Elite rocks a 48 volts, 13 amp-hour battery, giving you a ride that goes up to 60 kilometers. Great for long journeys without battery anxiety. If the juice runs out, riding this bike home is doable but not the most comfortable. Charging is a snap. You can juice up on the bike or pop the battery off and charge it wherever. To take out the battery, unlock the folding lever on the frame. Use the provided key to unlock the battery and slide it out. Charging up completely takes about 6 hours. In my tests, I hit a top speed of 26 kilometers per hour. The pedal assist cuts out at 25 kilometers per hour, as per EU rules. And the 8-speed Shimano Altus is nicely tuned to give you a bit of extra oomph when you want to go a tad faster. The Glual Elite arrives with mechanical disc brakes, sporting double 160mm rotors, and a power cutoff feature. While these brakes can swiftly halt the bike, they lack the hydraulic performance. A nifty touch is that engaging the brake levers triggers an automatic motor power cutoff. Let's dive into the cool and vibrant LCD display. First off, it's got this awesome video game vibe, making it look super rad. Even on sunny days, its brightness shines through, ensuring all the info is crystal clear. You'll get details like battery status, current speed, max speed, average speed, and odometer readings. To steer this display wonder, we've got a nifty control pad on the left handlebar. The up and down buttons set the pedal assistance level. The top button switches info modes. And the bottom one toggles the headlight. Turning the bike on and off is a cinch. There's a button at the controller's base. And if you need to honk, there's an extra button near the control pad. The aluminum full suspension folding frame features a distinctive design that sets it apart from other folding bikes in its category. Folding it might seem tricky at first, but as you can see, it's actually pretty simple. Plus, you can fold the handlebar and pedals, making it way easier to stash and move around. Keep in mind though, that while it does become smaller, these electric folding bikes aren't ultra-compact or featherlight. Whether folded or unfolded, the bike weighs 27 kilograms, catering well to individuals ranging from 155 to 200 centimeters in height, and it can support a maximum load of 150 kilograms. The front fork suspension, though basic with 45mm travel, allows for rebound and preload tweaks. Surprisingly, it handles the job without unexpected jolts, offering 2 rebound options, locked or unlocked. Now the star of the show, the rear shock. It's a standout feature, a top-notch KS, Kind shock, a 5RR1 dual air rear shock on an affordable bike like this. It operates seamlessly. Wrapping up the lineup of features, I can't overlook the standout 20-inch by 4 Kendall terrain tires. These tires provide excellent traction for off-road adventures and offer solid cushioning for urban rides. The mag wheels not only deliver a stylish appearance, but also ensure low maintenance. The Elite model arrives with handy accessories including durable plastic fenders, a robust rear rack, a comfortable Cell Royal saddle, a front headlight, and a tail light. While the headlight seamlessly integrates into the main system, the taillight operates on an internal battery. It's worth noting that Glual missed a golden opportunity to incorporate an integrated taillight here, which could have been a great addition. Now let's delve into the riding experience. This bike caters to both weekend adventurers and daily commuters seeking a touch of fun. While it isn't built for speed, it boasts strength and hill climbing prowess. The seating position ensures comfort, and the combined suspension and wide tires offer an impressively smooth ride. The pedal assistance system is ultra-responsive, with minimal delay when engaging or disengaging. With its overall weight, the bike remains wonderfully stable and secure during rides. You won't experience any sudden jolts when the motor kicks in, and coming to a stop is a breeze. Personally, I have a soft spot for bikes with throttles, and the absence of this feature due to EU rules is something I truly miss on this bike. Here are some of the pros and cons of the Glual Elite Folding e-bike. Pros: powerful motor, long battery life, all-terrain capabilities, foldable design, LCD display, cadence sensor, EU legal. Cons: no throttle, no hydraulic brakes, no integrated taillight. Looking to grab the Glual Elite? Click the link below. It's currently priced at €1,699, but here's the cool part. For the first 25 buyers, using the code GLULBK42, you'll get a €400 discount, and you'll be able to snag this fantastic bike for only €1,299. Plus, here's the cherry on top. It comes with a 2-year warranty, a 14-day return policy, and free shipping in Europe. Now the big question: does this bike justify its price tag? Absolutely, especially for those in search of a European legal electric bicycle that offers a comfortable commute, a dash of fun, and the added convenience of folding, not to mention its ability to handle snowy conditions. Nevertheless, I had anticipated a higher level of quality control in a bike produced in Europe. Well, that's a wrap for today. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and if you've got any questions buzzing in your mind, you've got the green light to fire away. Before you go, don't forget to give that like button a little love. Catch you next time, and cheers.